Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. It is Saturday morning and today we are mapping this beautiful cosmic grey EP3 Type R. So it's on a K100, so we're going to get it up on the dyno, give it a power run and then get ready tuning it. Here we go. So she's up on the dyno, yes, on the dyno, Saturday morning. Time to do a stock run before we start tuning. So let's have a go.
Yeah, got the seats, got the rails. That's a real rail, was there?
Don't forget guys to check out our sponsor worldoflubricant.co.uk. If you need oils, if you need gearbox oils, engine oils, additives, they're the place to go. www.worldoflubricant.co.uk. Use the code DYNO in the checkout and save yourself bags of money, especially if you've got a Civic. Stay on top of your oil. Cosmic Grey, and my favourite colour is Cosmic Grey. You all know this. Cosmic Grey EP3 in for a tune today. It's a Saturday morning, and this car's already modified, obviously, as it's arrived here on a stock ECU, but the gentleman had a K100 ECU. And no comment. And yeah, and then we've set about tuning it, and yeah, it's made power for where it came in at.
It has. I think it's a little bit down in my opinion, but he did sort of say the engine's been rebuilt, and obviously you never know the structure of that and who's done what or whatever. Not saying anyone's done anything wrong. I think the only weak link in this, to be honest, he's got a Skunk2 Skunk2 Ultra Series Inlet Manifold. Sorry, he's got the throttle body. He's got a 4-to-1 manifold. He's got a solid fab exhaust. So he's got
loud.
Yeah, he's got a really good list of mods. The exhaust is really loud. So I assume it's unresonated. It's mega loud. I think the weak link for this car is the AM induction kit.
Yeah. We don't see them anymore.
No, you just don't see them anymore. But I think that's the weak link for this car. I think we finished on 231. I expect to make around the 240 mark. So I think that the induction kit's cost us a little bit there.
Chokes us up.
Chokes us up a little bit. But nonetheless, I mean, you tune with the modifications you've got, and that's where we are.
Each car on its own merit.
That's right. But we made a load of power in the mid-range. We made a load of power at the top end. The graph's totally smoothed out. I mean, there's no way it will not feel better than it did when it came in.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. He's come from Bradford, and he's going to drop some flames out the back of his car on the way home, I'm sure, because that's the best part for me, the flames. But I'm a child still. So, you want to look at this graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph. Well, say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power across the range there. Finishing on 231, 195 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around to the end of another video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you've got an EP3, come and find us. Peace out.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.